Hello students, how are you? Today we'll study the second chapter of history from hunting, gathering to growing food, and part 4 of this chapter we'll study. So let's discuss about the Neolithic site found in Turkey. That's name is Catalhuyuk. Catalhuyuk, it is found in Turkey, you have to remember. And another thing that it is a Neolithic site, right? Now we'll see this picture of Catalhuyuk. Old buildings are here. This is the Neolithic site, means historical site found in Turkey. And you can see another image. This is the another image of Catalhuyuk. Systematically the houses were formed. Right? Now we'll see the location of Catalhuyuk in Turkey. So this is the map of Turkey, surrounding areas, neighboring areas. In this map, the point with the red color, this is the Catalhuyuk, right? This is Catalhuyuk, located in the southern region of Turkey. Neighboring countries are here: Syria, Iraq, Israel, Jordan, and Egypt there, Greece, Mediterranean Sea, and Red Sea. Several things were brought from the great distances, like a flint from Syria, cowries from the Red Sea, shells from the Mediterranean Sea, and used in the settlement. Remember, there were no carts, most things would have been carried on the backs of pack animals such as cattle or by people. Now we'll study the main points of this chapter. So let's start part 4 of from hunting, gathering to growing food, this chapter. First, keywords. Sites. This is very important word which is used in this chapter. Sites, the places where the remains of things like tools, pots, buildings, etc. were found. So these are very important sites. For example, Burj-Hom, Mehergarh, right, Koldi Hallur, etc. So these sites we have discussed in the chapter. Hunter-gatherers. This word is used in the title of the chapter. Hunter-gatherers are the people, right? Those who used to move from one place to another place, means following the animals for hunting them and in search of food. So especially this is the group of people who move around and live by hunting and fishing. So this is hunter-gatherers, right? Paleolithic. This is the earliest stage, earliest period of the Stone Age. Earliest period of Stone Age. And this was the period from 2 million years ago, from now to about 12,000 years ago. And in this period, stone tools were very heavy and means used for hunting and gathering. Next is Mesolithic. Mesolithic, this is the middle period and the time of megaliths. So from 12,000 years to 10,000 years ago, this was the Mesolithic period. In this period, the stones were found, tools were found better than the Paleolithic age. Next is domestication. This is the process in which people grow plants and look after animals. This is the feature of Neolithic period, because in this period the people started to rear the animals, they started to grow the crops. So in this way, this was known as domestication. Next is farmers. Farmers are the people who grow crops. Earlier, the farmers used to grow the crops like wheat and barley, okay, in the northern plains of India. Herders, those people who used to keep the animals as means they used to store as food the animals, and they used to rear animals and keep them for use, right? They used to keep them for meat, for milk, and etc. Neolithic, this is the period of Stone Age, and the third period of Stone Age from 10,000 years approximately to 5,000, or some historians think about 10,000 years ago to 8,000, or some think means 7,000. So it differs from historians to historian. So burial. Neolithic period also very famous for the development of human being, like wheel and fire. were discovered in this period, Neolithic period. So this is the most important and most developed period. Burial means the act of putting a dead body into the ground or the ceremony connected with this. Means burials were found in Mehergarh. It is Mehergarh. It is situated in Pakistan, and here many burials are found. And by the archaeologists and scientists were studied that the people were buried with the other things like goats, sheep, and other materials because they used to believe in rebirth or the world after the death. So these were the keywords from this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.